The story of Newton's apple. Between fact and fiction. The story of Newton's apple is one of the most famous anecdotes in the history of science. However, it actually lies in the gray area between historical fact and scientific legend. Here is the full story and how it evolved. The common narrative, the myth. The popular version claims that in 1666, Newton was sitting under an apple tree on his family farm when an apple suddenly fell on his head. At that exact moment, he instantly realized the existence of gravity, the force that pulls objects toward the earth. The historical fact, what really happened? An apple most likely did not hit Newton's head, and he did not discover gravity in a single flash of insight. The truth is, Newton was at his country home in Woolsthorpe, escaping the Great Plague that was ravaging London. Newton himself told colleagues, such as William Stukeley, that he was looking out the window when he watched an apple fall from a tree. The question Newton asked wasn't simply, why did it fall? But rather, why does the apple always fall perpendicularly to the ground? Why does it not go sideways or upwards? Why is it considered a half-myth? The legend makes it seem as though the fall itself taught him gravity. However, Newton's true genius lay in linking the earth to the heavens. Newton reasoned as follows: if gravity is what caused the apple to fall, could this force reach as far as the moon? And if so, why doesn't the moon fall to earth just like the apple did? At this point, Newton used complex mathematics to prove that the moon is actually falling toward earth, but it is moving with enough tangential velocity to keep it in a curved orbit. This is what we now call the law of universal gravitation. In short, the apple was not the cause of the discovery, rather, it was the catalyst that inspired Newton to connect the fall of simple objects to the motion of giant planets.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to channel.